Inside this facility, thousands of mangoes begin a precise and carefully controlled journey. Every movement is measured, every surface inspected. What follows is a seamless transformation, guided by machines, perfected by automation, and driven by consistency at industrial scale. Once alive, each mango is sliced with absolute accuracy. The seed is separated. The flesh is diced into perfect cubes. Every cut is intentional, every movement synchronized, as the fruit continues deeper into an automated system designed for consistency and scale. Before packaging begins, every cube is measured, cooled, and verified. Weight, temperature, and appearance are controlled in real time. Only mango that meets exact standards continues forward, prepared for sealing without interruption. Once sealed, each tray is inspected again. Heat, pressure, clarity, and alignment are verified in seconds. Labels are applied, data is logged, and the product moves forward, protected, traceable, and ready for distribution. From trays to cartons, and cartons to pallets, the system never slows. Robots coordinate every lift, every seal, every stack. What emerges is not just packaged fruit, but a logistics chain engineered for speed, balance, and reliability. Packaging is only the beginning. Cold storage, tracking, and transport extend the process beyond these walls. Every pallet is monitored, every movement synchronized, ensuring freshness is preserved from factory floor to final destination. Behind every movement is intelligence. Sensors, data, and automation work together, adjusting in real time. The system monitors itself, corrects itself, and continues, quietly ensuring precision never breaks. Nothing is discarded. Skins, seeds, and remnants are transformed into energy and oil, feeding back into the system. This is not waste management, it's design. A production cycle built to reuse, recover, and continue. One fruit becomes many products. Puree, frozen portions, and fresh cuts move through parallel systems without conflict. The same precision adapts instantly, transforming mangoes to meet different demands at the same industrial pace. Every batch is tested. Every result is verified. Safety, composition, and compliance are validated continuously without slowing production. This is how consistency is protected through automation designed to prove it. Every market has its own rules, labels, and routes. This system adapts instantly, printing, sorting, and preparing each shipment for its destination. Global distribution is not an afterthought. It's built directly into the process. This system is built for certainty. Every line has a backup. Every signal has a mirror. Even when faults are introduced, production continues, quietly rerouted, automatically protected, and engineered to never stop. At the end of the line, nothing is rushed. Each product is aligned, verified, and presented with intention. What leaves this factory is not just fruit, but the result of precision, repeated at scale. Even as one cycle ends, another is already in motion. Systems reset, flows rebalance, and production continues without pause. This is not a finish line. It is a state of constant readiness. This factory is not fixed in size or speed. Capacity expands, systems adapt, and output grows without redesign. What you're seeing isn't just production, it's infrastructure built to scale. From fruit to beverage, the system adapts without pause. The same mangoes now flow into bottles, packaged and prepared for global shelves. One process ends, another begins, driven by the same precision. This process never truly ends. From fresh fruit to finished products, every system remains in motion, balanced, synchronized, and ready. What you've seen is not a single cycle, but a model of continuous production at industrial scale.